everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. Now, I did get quite a few items. I will be doing a second haul this week, you guys, definitely, because I like it when the body wash and the soaps go on sale. So I'm just gonna dig in and share with you guys what I got. But the first thing is I had problems, all my digitals not coming off. I even brought out my digitals on the app. It wasn't available. I couldn't clip any new ones. I knew I was gonna have problems. I went to the registers. They would not come off. So I will be chatting with Walgreens. A lot of you guys are like, how do you contact Walgreens? You can go to Facebook. You go to Facebook and you click message. It's not that hard. I also go to the site and I actually chat with them. I chatted with them the other day because they owed me 7,000 points, which is $7, so they gave me points. So I will be messaging them again when I show you guys the breakdowns, because they owe me like 20 something bucks of coupons that are not coming off. Otherwise I'll just go return them, so not a big deal. But the first deal we did is I got this root beer. The root beer 7-Up products are $1 on sale. We had $1 off our print free coupon that's printable. You just go to rootbeer.com, you guys sign up, you guys can get a free root beer up to $1.99. Now my coupon did have problems scanning it, so they just entered it in. But yeah, so I got this absolutely free, and root beer is my favorite thing to drink, so I absolutely love that. I ended up getting corn dogs. Now, I've been trying to do this deal for a while. My son loves corn dogs, and this is...
No, I don't like corn dogs. I like those. They're my favorite.
Okay, but I ended up getting some corn dogs. Now, these were 3 for $8. You guys...
This is in the freezer.
Not right now, honey. You guys would pay $8 for these. But then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate times 3 with Ibotta. So these come out to be just $5.75 or $1.91 a piece, which I think is a great deal. So I got 3 of them. They're already starting to like warm up, so I gotta put those in the freezer right away. But you can't go wrong with super cheap corn dogs. I ended up doing the Gillette deal. Now, I did do this without the discount because it works out better. So this was $9, or no, this was $11.99, and this was $9.99. If you guys still have those digitals, there is a $5 digital for this one, and there is a $6 digital for this one. Got to the registers, my digitals did not work. I also had a spend 20, you get 5,000 points. Now that's a deal where you guys cannot pay with points. So what happens is you guys would end up, will you please get out of here? You guys would, if your digitals work, you guys would be paying $10.98. But then when you spend 20, you guys would get 10,000 points, which is $10. This is a deal where you do not pay with points. When it says spend, do not pay with points. But this comes out to be 98 cents after the digital coupons. But since I also had a spend 20 get 5 Catalina, this ended up coming free and like a $4 or something cent moneymaker. So that's a great deal, but my digitals did not come off. So right there they owe me $11 of points or something, or I'll just return these. It's not a big deal. So if you have problems, just chat with them. They'll help you. I hate calling on the phone, especially because I'm doing other things, but I'll chat with them while I'm on my computer. I ended up doing the cereal deal. Now, the Ibotta deals are done for, but this is still a great deal. The Kellogg cereal is $1.88. You guys want to use that 3 off of 5 coupon that we had on coupons.com. If it's still available, it should be still available for you guys. But you guys would get all 5 boxes for $6.40 or $1.28 a piece, which I think is a great deal. I love Fruit Loops, so I made sure to get the Spider-Man character in here. They said that there's a free Spider-Man character, so I always make sure I get the ones with the special boxes. So I got 3 boxes of Fruit Loops. I have so much cereal now, you guys. For a while there, I was just eating cereal like crazy. I haven't had time to eat. So I also got a Kellogg's one with the free Spider-Man. And then I was really trying to find these boxes. Now these boxes are this little thing where it says 1 box equals 1 free book. Now you guys got to get the specialty marked books, but if you guys go to the Kellogg's Family Rewards site, you guys can actually submit your receipt to get points. Plus there's also another link that you guys can click. You submit your receipt to get a free book. I've already gotten 6 books. It does take a couple weeks to get, but you guys can get free books. Like we can get Berenstain Bear books, Llama Llama, June B. Jones. Now I did make a video showing you guys how to get a free book, so definitely check out my past videos. But I love this. It is a limit of 10, so if you guys do that, definitely do that. We did this last summer and got 10 books absolutely free just by buying a box of cereal, which I think is worth it. I mean, you pay $1.28 for a box of cereal and you get a free book. That is a great deal. So I will be submitting my receipts to the Kellogg's family to get my points. Plus, I'll be also submitting my receipt to get a free book. So definitely do that. If you guys don't want to do that, if you guys get these specialty marked boxes and you don't want to do that, send me a receipt. I can always submit it, but not saying you have to. But if in case some people just don't want to, you don't have to do it. But I think that is a pretty good deal. My store still had some stuff that was 90% off. It was stupid things that I don't need. Don't question me when I do the 90% off. I had some people say, like, why do you buy stuff when you get rid of stuff? I can buy whatever I want. I get rid of it on my own way, and I've been cutting back on a lot of stuff. When I did the 90% hauls in the past, I would just buy anything. Now I'm actually buying stuff that I actually use. All the stuff that I did do in that video is all ready, is all put away, all packed up or whatever, you know. So just saying, you guys, I've been getting some hate on certain things. It's my life. I can do whatever I want to do. But they had these on clearance for just 29 cents. I thought these are great. It is a 20 pack. It's Sonic, so we got Ocean Water and Cherry Limeade. Ben's birthday is coming up soon, and so I thought these would be great for having the kids to have them. We're having his birthday party at our house, so I thought these are great for little kids to have snacks, so I bought 4 boxes for 29 cents a piece. That is awesome. I also did the all deal. Now I did this deal at CVS and at Walgreens, so you guys can do it either way. CVS, I like it that I don't have to submit my receipts, but I still wanted to share with you guys on that. Now that we were supposed to get some all coupons, I never get all, hardly ever. So I ended up having a printable coupon from coupons.com that does expire today, so I ended up using it this way. But you guys would pay, this was $2.99. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon. You guys would pay $1.99, but there is a deal on Savings Star if you guys have that deal clipped to your card for $1. So you guys would just get this for 99 cents. So I think laundry detergent for 99 cents is a pretty good deal. So you can do that either at CVS or Walgreens. It's the same deal. I did the Tide deal again because I actually do have some Tide coupons left. Now we did get some in our last week's Sunday's paper. Now there's one with the blue bottle on it. Now if you guys actually read, it says Tide laundry detergent or that Tide home, whatever the blue bottle says. So make sure you guys read it because those are actual Tide coupons. They are $2 off coupons. So these were $4.99. I used that $2 off coupon that we got from that insert. It was like the 714 Red Plum. So I used a $2 off coupon for that. There is a $2 off coupon for this one. I think this was in the P&G if you guys have that. So this was again $4.99 and I used that $2 off coupon. I ended up getting the pods. This was $4.99 and I used that $3 off coupon that we got from last Sunday's paper. Mine are buy buy 3, you get 1 free, so you guys cannot use a coupon for this. So I got this absolutely free. So after the coupons and everything, you guys would get all 4 items for $7.97 or just $1.99 a piece, which I think for Tide is a pretty good deal. I know a lot of you guys are getting Tide wasted, so I definitely wanted to share with you guys on that. I want to use those coupons up before they expire, so that's why I said I'm going to be doing a couple Walgreens hauls, but those expire this Sunday, so make sure you guys do that haul. The next deal we got is some soap. Yeah. So the first deal we did is the little tiny little hand soaps. Now the coupons that we got in today's paper do not work for these. So these are $1.99. They were buy one get one 50% off. You guys would use no coupons for this after you buy 4 of them. You guys would pay $5.97 for all 4 of these. And yes, you guys can pay with points and get points back, but you guys would get 4,000 points for buying 4 of them. So you guys would end up getting these for $1.97 or just 49 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. I do have another one in my bag. It's just buried on the bottom, so I'll get to there. Here it is. So I got the 4th one for that. I also got the regular soft soap. Now these are also $2.99. It was buy one get one 50% off. You guys want to use 4 50-cent off coupons that we got in this today's paper. You guys would pay $6.97 for all 4 of these, but then you guys will get 4,000 points, making it $2.97 or just 74 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. So I did get those. The next deal I got is the soft soap. This one somehow leaked all over my stuff, so I gotta wipe this off. But I ended up getting the soft soap body wash. These are both $3.99. You guys want to use 2 75-cent off coupons that we got in today's paper. You guys would just pay $6.48 for the both of these. But then you guys can pay with points and get points, so you guys would get 5,000 points for buying both of these. Comes out to be $1.48 or just 74 cents a piece. So I say body wash for under $1 is the best way to go. Now, Irish Springs is still a pretty good deal also. So these, again, are $3.99. But there are dollar off coupons that you guys want to use. So you guys would want to use 2 $1 off coupons. You guys would pay $5.98. But then you guys will get 5,000 points back when you buy 2. Again, you guys can pay with points and get points for all the soft soap deals and the Irish Spring deal. So you guys would get these for both for 98 cents. That comes out to be 49 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. I am still Irish Spring wasted, but I still like to share with you guys, you know, deals for stuff like that. I also got the speed stick deal. Now my digital did not come off for this, so I will be emailing them for this also. Sorry, I got a sticker on me all of a sudden. But these were $3.99. It's buy one get one 50%, or not $3.99, $3.49. It's buy one get one 50% off. you guys want to use a $1 off digital coupon. You guys would end up getting these for $4.23 for the both of them. But then you guys will get 3,000 points when you buy two. Now this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. Comes out to be just $1.23 or 61 cents or 62 cents a piece, which is a pretty great deal. So there are some good deals for you guys. My total came a little bit high because my digitals did not work, so that's why it came out to be super high. But like I said, I will be messaging them. But my total came to $67.23. Now I did pay with points for it, so I did not fully pay that much out of pocket. But I was supposed to get a 12 off of 30 or a 12 off of 40. I had it clipped to my card. That did not come off. I had a $6 off for the razors and a $5 off for the razors, and then my $1 off Irish, or what is it, Speed Stick did not come off. So that is that kind of money right there. That's like 12, 11. So they owe me $24 in points. So we'll see how that goes. I ended up getting $41 in points. I got 5,000 for the Softsoap, 5,000 for the Irish Springs, 4,000 and 4,000 for the Softsoap and the Softsoap. I also got 3,000 for the Speed Stick. I got 10,000 for the Gillette, and then I also had the 5,000 Catalina that I used, and then I also hit Beauty, so that was another 5,000. So I got $41 back in points, which is awesome. And then with Ibotta, I got $2.25. That is for the three. Why can't I speak? Corn dogs. So that's a good deal. So my grand total without the digital coupons included is $23.98, which is still a pretty good deal. But if they give me the points for that stuff when I message them, it'll be all for free. Everything came out to be for free. It was like a 2-cent moneymaker, which is awesome. So I'm crossing my fingers that they do give me those points for that, or I'll just return the razors. I'm not going to return anything else, but I'll just return the razors. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys enjoyed about it, and I will see you guys again this week. I also want to do a school challenge, like a $5 school challenge, but I feel like not a lot of the supplies are on sale quite yet. I usually do that, but then I realize I have way too many school supplies. Like, I have a whole box of school supplies, you guys, and it's just, I have so much of it that I can't even donate it because some of the schools don't need some of that stuff. So there's that. But I will be doing a $5 challenge. I still got to go to Office Max and Office Depot, but they don't have the penny deals anymore, so that kind of sucks. And I still want to go to Staples, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys later again this week for another Walgreens haul. See you guys later, and bye-bye.